this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is Fall versus Halloween. This section is Fall. The host of this collaboration is Courtney at Amethyst Adventures, Terry at Robin's Nest by Terry, and of course myself. Please check my description box for the links to their channels and for the playlist for all the other great fall and Halloween inspiration. Okay, here is our place setting. Pink napkin with a gold and white pumpkin. Here's our dishes, pink and white roses. The white plate, since this is a salad plate, and a gold charger. And our gold silverware. Our wine glass. Here's our pink velvet pumpkin. Our table runner is a pink and white, kind of Victorian, shabby chic looking table runner, white tablecloth. Here is my pitcher, and it's pink and white. And these are burgundy, pink, and white flowers with pampas grass. They got hydrangeas and peonies, fall leaves, other pink grass, and white pumpkins and white berries. And here our candle holder. I have a funny looking squirrel. He's just kind of he's a cool dude, that's for sure, with the hair sticking up like that. He's got him a mohawk going on right there. But I thought he was cute. Cute little squirrel with a little mohawk action. And I used these black and white beads. These were for Christmas last year. But I thought, since it goes with my pink and black, I thought, oh, I'll just put that in there. Here is a figurine of a little girl collecting twigs and raking her yard. Reminded me of fall, so I put it in there. And the word on it is self-discipline. I thought it was kind of cute. And so I added her. And this is a little, I don't know whether it's a raccoon. I don't know what he is, but he's cute. He's got a little flower turned upside down on his head. And I don't know whether he's trying to cover his eyes or what he's doing, but he's kind of cute. He doesn't set very well. But that is my tablescape for fall. Welcome to the fall section of Fall versus Halloween. Yes, sometimes you just must throw on that crown and be that queen. And today our tablescape is The Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoy the tablescape, and I hope it gives you inspiration for Halloween ideas. Okay, here is my Halloween tablescape. It's Nightmare Before Christmas. This is Jack and Sally on the plates, red charger plate, and purple and black candles, and I did them in purple. And I just DIY'd a bow and added a little purple flower. Added my Harlequin table runner. Then we DIY'd a haunted Zero house. And here's Zero and Jack and Sally. And I don't remember I think this is the mayor, and I don't remember his name. And there's our he's got a little fence, spooky fence, little haunted house.